Meaning of hoodwink.
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 Hoodwink. The word hoodwink means to deceive or trick someone by making them believe something that is not true. It can also refer to the act of obscuring or confusing a person's understanding of a situation in order to gain an advantage over them. The result of being hoodwinked is that a person is misled into making decisions or taking actions based on false information or incomplete knowledge. This can often lead to negative consequences, such as financial loss, embarrassment, or harm to oneself or others.